Hello student. In chapter 3 we will learn this chapter selfish crows. From this chapter we will read the chapter that is selfish crows. Dear students, from these chapters we will learn about the politeness. First of all, you have to learn what is polite. Okay, actually politeness teaches to become a good manner, how to give respect to elders and others. Polite teaches how to give not only respect to love to others, behavior good, and the habit also good. These things we have to learn from polite. A polite person, always you will see that his or her behavior is very perfect, good. So others persons also will say this boy or girl is so good and the behavior is very good. Okay, so my dear students, polite is very important for in our life. Whenever you will learn, you want to learn the good things, so you should do the good behavior, then you will listen to good things, and others people will say that boy or girl is good. Okay, so we the human beings, we are want to hear the good things from everyone, want to see the good things, like that we want to hear good things. Okay, so that for that only we should follow the good manners, and it come from politeness. Politeness is important in our life. We should remember of these things. Okay, so regarding of that we will learn the let us read the story. First say, once upon a time there was a very big forest. Big forest means what? Forest means, students, you know that big jungle. Okay, there on a huge banyan tree lived many crows. Means what? That sides one banyan trees were there, and there were plenty of many crows was living. They were selfish. See, this is the point. Selfish became not a politeness. Selfish, okay, and arrogant. Okay, too much naughty like that. Arrogant. Okay, they always quarrel with other birds. This behavior irritated other birds. They had no friends, as no one liked them. See what happened? They were so bad, always they are quarreling each other. For for that what happened? See, other birds, they did not like them. Why they were like, if you are the always quarrel fight with each others, so nobody will love you, no one will become your friends. So that's only they are also did not have any friends. Okay, they no one liked them. Okay, next, when the rainy season came, dark clouds gathered in the sky. What happened their side? A small Mina was returning to her nest. So the situation, you just think, that is dark, rainy season. Now that is means should be, it will be month of July and August, like that. Okay, that it was raining and cloud also dark became too much cloudy. One Maina, what he was doing, that he was returning her nest, means her home. Okay, what happened when she was passing by the banyan tree? It started raining. Okay, I will stay here for a while until it stopping raining, thought the little Maina, and it took rest on the banyan tree for a while. So what happened? So whenever she was going and she was passing was banyan tree, that time it rain has started. So should be if the rain will come, we will wait. So similarly, that Maina thought, if I fly out, then here I will wait. Okay, so she decided few time she will stay on that banyan tree up to how much? Up to until the rain stop. Okay, she decided of that. Okay, no problem. The selfish crow saw her the perching on the tree. Okay, some crows, they with what crows? Selfish crows. They saw that she came and sat on that particular tree, and they thought they will perching on that. Okay, they shouted, "Get up the tree! This tree belong to us. This is our tree. We will not allow to stay here." Okay, Maina pleased. Maina has requested and told, the weather is very bad and my nest so hard. Please, just let me to take rest for a few minutes on this tree, brother. As soon as it stop raining, I will return to my nest. So that only you will just leave me. Okay, let me to stay here few minutes. But they did not allow. They shouted, "Leave this banyan tree at once, or we'll pick you. If you will not go, then I will pick you." Who said? That other trees. The merciless tendency of that selfish crow scared the Maina. Okay. So what the Maina will do? Maina found no other way except to fly off. Maina did not get anything. Maina did not have any options. What he will do? Say, he decided, okay, we fly out. We will leave that place. So she done of same thing. Immediately the Maina flew off to a nearby the tree. She saw there were one big tree were there, where luckily she found the hollow and broken branch. She saw one tree that the one broken branch also broken, and that side one hollow is there. Hollow means one that the tree some place has broken and there are one hole, and inside that hole she entered. So whenever she entered and she did not get any rain, okay, any water did not drop out with his her body. Okay, shortly after, what few minutes, okay, what happened? The rain became heavy follow. Thunderstorms came. Wind was high speed. Okay, wind so highly speed. Even leaves and branches are not enough to give shelter to the crows. The crows were staying at the banyan tree, but that were also not allowed to stay there. Many of the branches of many trees in which the crows had taken shelter were damaged and hurt by the hailstones. Okay, but the Maina was safe inside the hollow place in the tree. Okay, Maina was there, no, nicely she was staying in that hollow tree. Okay, that tree has broken, that branches branch was broken, and inside that one hole was there. Inside that she was sitting there. Okay. Once of the crow said, "Look at the Myna, how comfortable she is." Okay. One of that, according that crows, one saw how nicely sitting the Myna. Who sitting? Myna. How comfortable she is sitting. Okay, let us go there. So that time another crow said, "Hey, don't go, don't go." Why? She will not allow us, because we did not do the good behavior. No, we also did very bad behavior with her. Okay, we did not have any sympathy for her. So why she will do? We should not have any have been so rough. Okay, we forgot we may need help some day. Sometime also we will face problem. We did not this thing. Okay, but Myna, she was good. Her uh, she have nice politeness, because she was very good. Her behavior was also good. So what she did? Suddenly the Myna called out, "Come, my friends, come, my friends, come to this hollow and save it here." See, this is the all politeness. That is the good manner that Myna having the good manner. That's why she called them. And what she told? "Come, my friends, come, my friends, and sit here and save for this water, for rain." See, okay. So what she told? "Come to this hollow. You will get hurt. The rain is not going to stop soon." Okay. It seems that may rain for a long time. Rain will not stop now. Rain it will be continue. Too much heavy rainy. So up to you stay here. When the rain will stop, then you will decide what you will do. But rain for a long time it will be happen. It is not. It will be not stop. Clear? So the crows flew down to the hollow. So crows, the others, what they did? They went and sat there. They thanked the Myna. "We are sorry for having unkind, dear friend. Now we will never be so selfish." What they have done? That time they had decided this is ours, so we will stay here a long time. We will not allow to others. So they become selfish. But Myna, she knows the behavior. Okay. So remember, my dear, politeness means you have to use the kindly. Okay, polite words, polite good manner. When we speak with others, so politeness you will say. You don't say loudly. Okay, softly you will say. Okay, next. Then the crows took shelter in the hollow place of the tree and which the Myna had taken her shelter. After some time, it stopped raining. All the birds flew to their respective nest and happily as they knew friends. They became the good friend. So, dear students, if you do good behavior, you will get also new and nice friends. So remember always, politeness is also a good manner. You have to get plenty of